Welcome back to Legal Marketing Moments. I'm Nancy Myrland. Let's talk about the stories format. And you might know stories as, and I'm going to lump a few things into this category because they serve similar but not identical purposes. You might think of Instagram stories, you might think of Twitter fleets, you might think of LinkedIn stories, and all of these are the little bubbles at the top that you can play that are very short form video. We have TikTok, we have Snapchat, they're on YouTube as well. There are some others, but those are the main ones. And first thing you need to know is don't get married to, and we've talked about this before, Twitter fleets, because they've already announced they're going away. They're not doing well. So congratulations to them for noticing that. LinkedIn stories are having a hard time gaining traction. But here's the interesting thing. Yesterday was the first time that two things. I got a notification in notifications on LinkedIn that Roy Sexton had posted a story, and I got an email because I have those notifications turned on. And that's different. That tells me that LinkedIn is doing something to ramp up exposure. And until a feature has exposure and is included in notifications, then I think it has a struggle. It has a hard time gaining traction. And it also has a hard time gaining followers or people who want to use it, because we think, if you're not going to tell anybody that I did this, or if you're not going to help people know that I actually posted this, then should I be spending my time there? So I just wanted to let you know that you might want to be aware of, at least, and pay some attention to stories. And what to put in those stories is a whole different conversation, a little bit different on different platforms. But I just wanted to raise your awareness of the stories format because it's going gangbusters on sites like Instagram, TikTok, and yes, Snapchat still, but having trouble gaining a little traction on LinkedIn. But be aware of that notification issue. And then also YouTube, which Google owns, and those YouTube Shorts could also help you gain traction for your YouTube channel because they can lead people to your channel. All right. Well, I'm Nancy Myrland with Myrland Marketing and Social Media, reporting for Legal Marketing Moments. Until next time, take care.